Morning everyone. So we look at today we look at our next lecture, which is chapter 3.1, which is the lines. So this topics requires you to remember some of the stuff that was done in chapter 2. Now you ask yourself, what is a line? So we say that here we have that many relationships between quantity or quantities can be represented using lines. Okay, so we have the equation of a line. So we have the equation of a line, or any line is given by the general formula y equals to mx plus c. So it's given by the general formula is y equals to mx plus c. So you need to know what the m stands for and what the c stands for, and the x and the y. So here we say that where m denotes the slope of the line, then c is the y-intercept, and x, y, or x and y is any arbitrary point or points on the line. Okay, so that's what m stands for, and c, x, and y. So now we look at some properties of a line. Every line has its property. So we look at properties of a line. Properties of a line. So first one we have, so if m stands for the slope, whenever we have a line with m equals to 0, that means the slope of the line is 0. Then that equation of that line is given by y equals to c. So y is equals to the y-intercept, the c. Then is a horizontal line. It's a horizontal line which is drawn as, if this is the x-axis and that is the y-axis, then we'll have the line y equals to c. Then the second one be, if m is equals to if m is positive, then we'll have y is equals to mx plus c. So that line in general must always look in this form. It must always cut from right to left. So number C, if m is negative, then y is minus mx plus c. So if m is negative, the line is minus mx plus c. So we'll have a line of this nature cutting from left to right. So from left to right. So we will still have our x and the y axis. Okay. Then for a vertical line, so another one is number D. If m is undefined, then M is undefined for a vertical line. So we have that the equation is x equals to c. So we have a line that can be represented in this form. Still have our x and the y-axis, but now the line is x equals to c. Okay. Then from here, so having all of this in mind, what is a line and what are the properties of a line, so we can now go ahead and determine how to find m. What is the slope of a line? How to determine the slope of a line. Okay, so now we have that the slope of any line. So we now have finding the slope of a line, which is denoted by m. Finding the slope of a line denoted by m. So now, given a point A, a coordinate x1, y1, and B is x2, y2. So these can be represented in a line in a Cartesian plane. So we have that our x-axis and our y-axis, assuming I have a line that runs from, has a positive slope with my point A, x1, and y1, and my point B is x2 and y2. So we can have a triangle here. So we can always find the slope of this triangle. So we can always find the slope of this. So we say that the slope of a line, of this line M, denoted by M, is equals to change in y over change in x. So mathematically, it can also be written as change in y over change in x, or change in vertical axis over change in the horizontal. Then, so we can write this as m is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this formula is the formula to determine the slope of any line. So we know that the slope of any line of any two arbitrary points is the same on a line. That means if I have these points x1, x2 and y1, y2, and I decide to choose another point, let's assume I choose a different point on this line, which is here. So the slope of this, if I call this A and call this B, then we can always say that the slope of A is always the same as slope of B. So at any point on the line, the slopes are always equal. So now let's look at one example on how to find the slope of a line. So example, so the example says find the slope of the line with the coordinates. Remember we talked about coordinates from chapter 2, coordinates 3, 7 and 1, 3. So now if we want to find the slope, we have the solutions is given by, first of all, I must decide to choose what is my x1 and my x2 and my y1 and my y2. So I will say let x1, y1 be my first coordinate, 3, 7, and x2 and x2, y2 be 1, 3. So I will now use this formula. I call it number 1. So we'll now use equation 1 to find the slope of this line. So we use equation 1 to find the slope of the line, which is, we now have m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I will now have 3 minus 7 over 1 minus 3, which is equals to minus 4 over minus 2, which is equals to 2. So therefore I will have that my m is 2. So that means that this line has a positive slope. If it was given to me to draw, then I know that for my answer to be correct, my line must run from right to left. Thank you. We'll catch you in another video.